Okay, so today we will be going with the holozoic nutrition. First thing, what does this holo means? Holo means whole, like completely, and zoic, as we have studied, like we have two branches or two kinds of biology, botany and zoology. So zoo, like here zoology. So zoo means animal. Here it's also same. Holo means completely or whole, or zoic means animals. So holozoic means complete. Nutrition means like the complex particle in solid form, which are like very important for our body. Here now not only animal, human beings are also considered in animals. Okay, so now what happened when the complex breakdown? This means the molecules are used. Now, like, how are the complex particles used for our body? These are used for our growth, repairing, and maintenance as well. And this can be also helped in like life maintaining, sustaining all of the body nutrients are in that. Okay, now if we talk about some like the definition of holozoic nutrition, that are sequence required when of holozoic nutrition intake of food called holozoic nutrition. Like the sequence which is required intake of food is known as holozoic nutrition. Now if we talk about the micro and macromolecules, these macromolecules are like, macro means big, molecules which are like the group of atoms. Okay, now like macro word simply means the big molecules. This means the complex particles or the big molecules. And the second one is micromolecules. Micro here means small. Okay, let me write the molecule completely. Molecule. Okay, so now we have some types. If we talk about the carbohydrates, which are very important, and let me tell you one thing, that when just carbohydrate is entered in our mouth, it is only like 3 to 5% is just breakdown in our mouth. Other all are done in our complete body by digestive process, like 3 to 5% only. Okay, so what I was about to tell, carbohydrates, how does this break? Carbohydrate break into glucose. Let me do like this. Glucose, and then glucose is used as like energy, like glucose is converted into energy. Now if you talk about another, that is like I'm talking about complex particles. Carbohydrate is one of the complex particle here. Not only this, we have the second one, which is lipids, like which are converted into fatty acids, or then it's glycerol, fatty acid which could be glycerol even. And not only this, then this is also converted to adipose tissue. And the third one is proteins. Proteins are like divided into amino acids. As we say, like protein are made up of amino acid. This means these amino acids are like the micromolecule here, micromolecules. And even we know the yogurt, we do always say that when we eat yogurt, we do get we have intake of amino acid. This means we have directly intake of the protein at that time. So amino acids are known as the micromolecules. And micromolecules, as I told you, let me write definition. These are the simplest particles which are even diffusible. Not only this like they have very low molecular weight, and this is also not available individually. Like these are broken first and then, this means they are not available individually. Oops, let me sorry, not available individually. Okay, so this was a difference. Like the now if you do opposite of this, that are known as macromolecules. How macromolecules are small and these are the bigs. Here these are like the simplest particle, this means they are the complex particles. And if we talk about diffusible, which can be diffused, but these are indiffusible particles. These all are macromolecules, and these all are the usage of micromolecule, and they are having low molecular weight. How? If they are like simplest particle, this means they have low molecular weight. If they are the complex, or they are made up of a lot of things, this means they have the high molecular weight, and these are not available individually. How? Just if we talk about amino acid here, this means amino acid is based on protein. Like when protein will be broken, we cannot like find amino acid individually. This means that we have taken that from protein, so this means these are not available individually. And whereas we can find individually macromolecules, like carbohydrates can be found, lipids can be found, proteins can be found. So yes, this was all for today. Thank you.